In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert viewports in layouts using AutoCAD. This is an essential skill for anyone wanting to manage their drawing presentations effectively, ensuring a polished and professional output. Whether you need to display multiple scaled views or arrange your drawing sheets perfectly, setting up viewports is a straightforward yet crucial task in the design process. Let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you're in the Layout tab where you want to insert your viewport. Your layout is essentially your virtual paper space, which is where you'll arrange how your drawing looks for printing. Once you're ready, go to the command line at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll type MVIEW, which stands for Make View or Model View, and then press the Enter key. This command enables you to create a new viewport in your layout. Now that you've activated the command, you can draw a rectangular viewport on your layout. Simply click on the layout to designate the first corner of the rectangle. Then move your cursor to another area and click again to establish the opposite corner. Voila! You have your rectangle viewport. This method is straightforward and often the preferred technique for standard rectangular viewports. But let's say you want something a little different. Maybe you prefer a circular or an irregular shape for your viewport. No problem. Start by drawing your desired shape using the polyline tool. For instance, if you want a circular viewport, you could use the circle tool to draw it. Similarly, for other shapes, the polyline tool is your friend. Trace out the shape just as you envision it to encompass your drawing area. Once your shape is drawn, it's time to transform it into a viewport. Again, type MView in the command line and press Enter to reactivate the viewport command. This time, instead of accepting the default rectangle, type OBJECT and press Enter once again. The command line will prompt you to select an object. Simply click on the polyline or shape that you've created. After pressing Enter, your unique custom-shaped viewport is ready to be used in your layout, and there you have it. Whether you've chosen a standard rectangle or a custom shape, viewports are a powerful way to manage how you present and view different parts of your model. Remember, setting up your viewports with precision ensures that your final printouts are clear and visually aligned with your design intentions. Practice these steps to gain confidence and efficiency, and soon, working with viewports will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today in mastering this essential AutoCAD skill. Have fun exploring and crafting your layouts.